Hi guys, my name is Esther Modoni and I'm back with a new video. And today we shall be discussing about customary law marriage and why you should register your customary marriage. First, a customary marriage is a marriage that has been celebrated in accordance with the customs of either or both of the parties. Therefore, it is important that you know the customs of your partner even as you seek to celebrate a customary law marriage. A customary law marriage, usually there is payment of dowry. However, the law does not need you to pay all the dowry at once. Therefore, a token of that or a part of the dowry is sufficient to prove that you have been married under the customs of that particular community. However, each community has their own practices and they have their own rites or rituals. Therefore, it is important that you make sure that you follow all those rituals and celebrations to make sure that your marriage is valid in accordance with the customs of that particular community. Upon celebrating the marriage and upon completing all the ceremonies that are required in that particular community, it is important that you notify the registrar of marriage that you celebrated a marriage and that both of you are of age, that is, you are 18 years and above, and that you are not in any prohibited marriage relationship when you celebrated that marriage, and that it was done voluntarily. That is, both parties gave their consent. Upon doing that, it is important that you apply to the registrar. Also, before making the application, you have to give a declaration, a written declaration. Of course, the same has to be witnessed by two witnesses who must have been present when those particular rites and cultural practices were being conducted during your ceremony or during the customary marriage. The other part is that you have to apply to the registrar within 6 months upon completion of all the ceremonies in celebration. It is important that you apply to the registrar to be issued with a certificate of marriage, and both of you have to be there in person in the registrar's office for the registrar to issue you with a certificate of marriage. It is very important that you register your marriage. Don't sit at home and say that I am married. You're not married if you don't have that certificate. It is not enough to go for the dowry payment. You should also make sure that you get a marriage certificate. Also, don't wait until the time now you will be saying, I went to the funeral of their relatives, I took photos with them, and other stories. It is important that you do the right thing to avoid explaining yourself that I'm married to this particular person. Therefore, go register your marriage. Don't wait until when it is too late. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you.